Everyone's panicking right now. 5.6% graduate unemployment, the highest in a decade. Your LinkedIn feed is full of people screaming, learn ChatGPT, learn Copilot, learn 15 AI tools or you're done. But here's the uncomfortable truth. That advice is almost completely wrong. And if you follow it, you might actually make yourself less valuable, not more. The real threat isn't AI. The real threat is becoming replaceable by someone who knows the same tools you do. Let's be honest, AI tools are becoming table stakes. They're not a competitive advantage anymore, they're a minimum requirement. Think about Excel. 20 years ago, knowing Excel was a huge differentiator. Today, it's just expected. In 6 months, knowing how to use Copilot will be the same. Everyone will know it. That means knowing the tool doesn't protect you. It just means you're not asterisk worse than everyone else. You need something else entirely. Here's what AI is actually terrible at: judgment. It's phenomenal at producing plausible, well-formatted outputs. But knowing which output is asterisk right asterisk in your specific context, that's judgment. That's something else entirely. An AI can write a perfect legal brief, but a good lawyer with 20 years of courtroom experience, they know when the case law cited is subtly wrong or when it's been superseded by something recent. That knowledge came from experience, not a tool. That's irreplaceable. Here's the trap most people fall into. They become AI asterisk operators instead of AI augmented asterisk experts. An operator uses the tool. An expert uses the tool to amplify what they already know. Operators are infinitely replaceable. You can hire someone cheaper. You can replace them with another operator. But an expert is the only person who can make the judgment call. That's the difference between staying employed and becoming irreplaceable. Don't become an operator. Here's what AI cannot do. Build the relationship your client has with asterisk you asterisk. It cannot attend the funeral. It cannot notice that the CEO seems stressed today and adjust your approach. It cannot be the person your client asks for by name. That's a moat AI will never cross. The jobs that survive in this economy are jobs where people choose a asterisk specific person asterisk, not a function. Your company is replaceable. Your role is replaceable. But you, the person they trust, are not. The entry-level job market is collapsing. 5.6% graduate unemployment. But here's what's actually happening. Companies are eliminating entry-level roles where the work was pure execution. Why hire a junior to do a task when an AI can do it instantly? The jobs that asterisk are asterisk being created require one thing: judgment, creative direction, client relationships, taste. These are things you can't learn in a classroom or on YouTube. You have to develop them through experience and mentorship. That's why the market is so brutal right now for people without those skills. AI cannot have taste. It can produce infinite options, but knowing which one is asterisk good, which one moves the needle, that's taste. That's the most valuable skill in an AI-saturated world. Great designers, editors, and strategists are becoming more valuable, not less, because they can be force multiplied by AI. They can generate 10 concepts instead of one, but they still need to choose which one is great. That's the skill AI cannot replicate. The mistake is becoming the person who generates outputs. The right move is becoming the editor, director, and taste maker who uses AI to execute asterisk your asterisk vision. Here's a counterintuitive truth. Great specialists just got more asterisk valuable. A generalist is now competing directly with AI. A generalist can be replaced, but a world-class designer, a financial analyst with 20 years of experience, a strategist who knows your industry inside out, these people are now force multiplied. They can do the work of 5 people. They can iterate faster, test more, and make better decisions. The moat got asterisk wider asterisk, not narrower for specialists. The compressed part of the job market is the middle. Generalists are squeezed. Specialists are expanding. Here's the formula that actually works. Domain expertise plus AI fluency equals the irreplaceable person. Pure AI tool knowledge without domain expertise. You're an operator, replaceable. Domain expertise without AI. You're slow and you're being outcompeted. But domain expertise plus AI fluency, that's one person doing the work of five. A financial analyst who understands every metric, every ratio, every pitfall in financial reporting, and knows how to direct AI to do the grunt work, that person is invaluable. The lesson: invest 80% of your upskilling time in your domain expertise and 20% in AI fluency. Most people have it backwards. But here's the mistake everyone is making. They're spending 80% of their time learning AI tools and 20% on their actual expertise. They're reading ChatGPT for beginners instead of reading the actual literature in their field. They're watching tool tutorials instead of gaining the experience that builds judgment. That's backwards. That's the trap. Your career safety doesn't come from knowing Copilot better than the person next to you. It comes from being irreplaceable in your domain. The tools are secondary. The expertise is everything. Now the brutal, honest question: do you have irreplaceable skills yet? Map your current job into three categories. Category A: tasks AI already does better. Category B: tasks AI can help with but needs your direction. Category C: tasks only you can do, judgment, relationships, taste. Where does your actual work live? If Category C is empty or tiny, that's urgent information. You don't have time to worry about learning new tools. You have time to either develop those skills or change roles. This week, not in 2 years. Here's your action this week. Do that 3-category audit. Be honest. Then talk to someone you trust, a mentor, a colleague who's ahead of you, about how to shift more of your time into Category C work. That might mean taking a project that scares you. It might mean saying no to the busy work. It might mean negotiating a role change or even looking for a new position. But here's the thing: the people who will thrive in the next 5 years aren't the ones who know the most AI tools. They're the people who built irreplaceable judgment, relationships, and taste. You can start that today. Start now.